Hi guys, Daniel here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Captain office chair made by Realm of Thrones. It's a self-assembly chair. It comes in a big box, all in separate parts. It's easy to put together. They include all the tools you need, 3 sets of bolts, washers and the Allen key there. I've just kept this as spares. They even give you spare washer and bolt. I'll just show you how easy it is to put together in the instruction manual first, then we'll take a look at the chair itself. So as you can see, everything's included, and you basically put this together in a certain order. So you put the bottom part on with the casters, then the gas strut, and then you put the arms underneath the 2 bolts. When you put this bottom part of the seat on underneath, I'll show that in a minute, just make sure you line the washers up in the middle of the holes so everything's done properly. Then you put the gas strut support on with the adjuster, and then there's like a neck rest thing here. This is really ideal if you want to sort of lean back in the chair. You can control the leaning back with a piece underneath. I'll show you that in a minute. And this just shows you how you can have it pretty much. The headrest here basically clamps on the top here with 2 bolts, 2 Allen key bolts, and it does slide up and down. That's how adjustable it is. The chair itself has this black mesh sort of type material on the headrest here. This is the, sorry, get a bit of dust off that. This is the seat cover. It's really padded. It's nice. The back, it goes at a certain angle. As you can see, it's more at the front to support your legs. The arms are like a black rubber type material, easy to wipe, etc. And obviously they both go up and down like this. It's nice. The important part to note about this chair is due to the mesh, it allows heat to come in and out, so you don't get really hot when using it at different times of the year or for prolonged periods. As well as everything else, it has the lumbar support here, and this simply just goes up and down like this. I found sitting in the chair and adjusting it was the best option. Then you can get it right. If you have it too high, it is in your back too much, but too low not enough. So around in the middle for me is about right to give me my lower back support. So if you're using it for a while, your back might ache. Depends. It's got the logo here. The whole thing came, as I say, in a big box in separate parts, very well packed, no damage to it at all. The chair was around 150 of buying it. This is March 2022. The only reason I bought this is because my old office chair literally fell to bits. I bought it from Amazon. I did look at the Amazon reviews, and this did have the best reviews for this type of chair on there. So when you're buying this sort of thing, just check out the reviews. But obviously this video is about this chair, so hopefully this video helps you if you're looking at buying it and making the decision. So as I say, all the plastic is it is plastic, but it is very, very strong stuff. It's got bits. This bit is just sort of a thing here. I'm not sure what that's about. It just gives extra strength. Even the bottom part, it is, as I say, it is plastic, but it's got pieces underneath to keep it strong. It's got the height adjustment, and this piece goes in and out to stop the chair from coming back and forward. I've left it out for the moment. This piece here, I believe, basically dictates how far it can go forward and back. As you can see, there's a thread in there. You can see that on the camera. What else is there? Show you the bolts underneath. Those bolts, and that's what I was talking about earlier. Just make sure you centre them up so nothing comes loose eventually. And those bolts there, all Allen key bolts, all good quality. Looks pretty good. So that's it. That's it like that. That's the front. I'll just show you the side. The good thing about this chair is it's quite low profile. So if I was to show you like just a dining room chair, it's about the sort of size of a sort of dining room chair. Obviously chairs vary a little bit, but it gives you a little bit of an idea. It is an office chair, but it's not like one of those big leather type ones. It doesn't take up a lot of room at all. That's the back. I've covered the headrest, fully adjustable. But as I say, once you get the chair, I would adjust the lumbar support once you're sat in it, and this headrest, and just lean back and adjust the headrest depending how you want to use things. As I say, the arms go up. I mean, I personally keep the arms down, but I guess if you had a tight space, you could lift the arms up and get out, depending on what your environment is like. Do a couple of close-ups of the material. So you're wondering, is this type of material? It's in this bracket. This is the seat cushion again. Good quality. That's the arms. So you can keep it clean, hoover it, whatever. Very sturdy. That's really it, really. I can't really say more about it. So I hope this video has helped you if you're looking at buying this chair. It is the it's made by Realm of Thrones. It's the Captain Edition. Very easy, very well packed, very easy to put together. Quality looks great. Yeah, I'd go for it. So far, 10 out of 10. So if you like the video, feel free to like it. If you like our sort of review videos on products, feel free to subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks, guys.